Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake glaze. To start, gather your basic ingredients. You'll need powdered sugar, a liquid like milk or water, and a flavoring such as vanilla extract. Begin by sifting 2 cups of powdered sugar into a bowl. Then, gradually add 2 to 3 tablespoons of your chosen liquid and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk everything together until it's perfectly smooth and lump-free. This simple base is the foundation for many delicious glazes. Now, let's explore some exciting flavor variations for your cake glaze. For a zesty kick, substitute the milk with fresh lemon, lime, or orange juice. If you're a chocolate lover, whisk in 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder with your powdered sugar. You can also introduce fruit purees, like raspberry or strawberry, for a natural sweetness and beautiful color. Remember to adjust the liquid amount to maintain the desired consistency. Achieving the perfect glaze consistency is key to a beautiful finish. If your glaze is too thick, add a few drops of liquid at a time until it reaches your desired pourable consistency. Conversely, if it's too thin, gradually whisk in more powdered sugar. A thinner glaze will create a delicate sheen, while a thicker one will provide a more opaque, smooth coating. Apply the glaze evenly over your cooled cake using a spoon or offset spatula. Here are some final tips and troubleshooting advice for your cake glaze. Always ensure your cake is completely cooled before glazing, otherwise, the glaze will melt and run off. Sifting your powdered sugar beforehand is crucial for a smooth, lump-free result. If your glaze becomes too stiff while working, simply add a tiny bit more liquid. For best results, apply glaze immediately after mixing. You can store any extra glaze in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.